The Chevrolet Impala has spent over 20 years in a city bus. It sounds fantastic, but it is a fact. Just imagine opening the doors of an ordinary decommissioning passenger bus and your gaze rested on a huge chrome bumper of Impala. Chevrolet Impala is a real American car produced by GM from 1958 to 1985. In 1994, there was a revival of the model, but in 1996 it was discontinued, and already in 2000 some bizarre units began to roll off the assembly line, which has nothing to do with the classic American car, but this is just our humble opinion. Until 1965, it was the most expensive passenger car in Chevrolet lineup, the most expensive and the most popular car in the entire model series, and until the end of the 60s, it was Impala that took first place in sales. Under the name Impala, several bodies were produced at the same time. The main one was a sedan and a four-door hardtop, but the most sophisticated was the convertible, coupe and hardtop model 1964. Which are we going to talk about? Spirit of real America was in this model if we focus on multi-million-dollar sales. Model 64 was essentially a continuation of Model 63, except the grille with the bigger checkered pattern. The major changes to the model came in the 1960s when the three round lights in the back appeared and the large fins disappeared, and the fenders began to look like most classic cars. You probably want to ask how the car got inside the bus. Good question, but history is quite about that. Most likely, everything is obvious, like Gogol's character Pushkin with his manic passion for collecting. But look at the masterpiece here. Impala, by the way, is in excellent condition. An absolutely complete body, without any significant damages, is inside the ordinary passenger bus, where all the seats were simply removed and a comfortable garage on wheels was created, and a real treasure inside. You can imagine what a decent size there are, not only in length, but also across the width of the car. Someone was really lucky to be in the right place and check the bus inside.